So
Hello
I make
guys,
this one.
I gonna make patunganan sa tanom. So I gonna put the I'm a little carpenter today because my dad is a carpenter, so I gonna copy my dad. Charot. Pag naning jud ning walhong tiki ni mo ning. Bantay jud imong kamot ning. I'm making a two stand for my plant. So I'm using a hammer. I'm using a nails because I don't have a screw. So using a nail. Ayun, lagyan natin ng brace sa ibaba para ma-strong. So that's almost done. So I got two stove for my plants. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe. Bye. It's done. So may dalawa na akong patunganan ng tanom ko. Thank you for watching.